Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I did a little bit of traveling. We went to this place. I could not tell you the name of it. South Korean places are hard to name for an American, but the best way I could describe it was like a biodome. Like if you've ever seen the movie with Pauly Shore, fire movie by the way, if you haven't watched it, you should check it out. I wouldn't say fire, but it's pretty damn funny. But yeah, it was pretty interesting. You know, I took a couple of my friends there. We went around, we did our usual dumb shit and stuff. I hope you guys will stay tuned for the whole video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Oh yeah, little side note about me. So I can't stand littering, especially in like places like these. Like, come on, man, it's like a nature habitat. Like, supposed to keep it beautiful, right? There's gonna be a section where you see me actually pick up after somebody who I literally witnessed drop a ticket. But yeah, if you litter, you're an asshole. That's all that. We're in the back with the Burberry's on here.
My airbender, bro. I gotta pee.
Don't be stomping like that. This is old. Keep the nature? Shout out nature? I just put Locus all over the YouTube. I'm gonna be what's up guys? I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm gonna try and post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I also am gonna try and get better at editing, you know, just YouTube overall. Trust me, there are things that I'm sure I can improve greatly on, editing being one of them. But the hand things, also another one. I'm working on it, I'm trying. It's very hard for your boy. I'm a very active person, so I can't even sit still for the videos, I gotta stand. But I hope you guys will stick around, you guys will enjoy them. If you have any suggestions, drop them down in the comments below. Cause like if you think of like, oh, there's some place in South Korea I've heard is really cool, I will try and get there before I leave, cause I do wanna make you guys happy and I do wanna give you guys something enjoyable to watch.